Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are doing good. If you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get more informational and educational based video from our platform. Okay, so this is the chart of gold, and before starting the video, I would like to share the weekly report to you. This is our official channel, and we have almost 1730 plus members, and this is the weekly report. On Monday we have given 6 signals, 5 of them has hit the TPs, and on Tuesday 3 signals hits the TP out of 4, and on Wednesday we have hit all the TPs, and Thursday we have same hit one SL. Basically it was a manual close trade because the market has broken down our zone. Okay, also on Friday we have given 3 signals. Out of them, 2 has hit the TP and one is still running. Okay, this is our group, and as you can see, we always share a signal with a total logical reasoning. As you can see, this is a GBP CAD chart, and I am trying to reload the chart so you can see on. So this is the previous signal that we given on Thursday, GBP USD sell, and we have hit the TP, and this is GBP CAD that we gave a buy call, and this is in front of you. Okay, so if you want to join our channel, this is totally free. We are not requiring any money, so you have to make an account from our link on our recommended broker. Our recommended brokers are IC Markets, Vantage Markets, Octa Forex, and XM Global. Okay, so let's back to our topic, gold. As you know, we always make a long video, so let's start it to study. Okay, this is the weekly chart, and according to this, first off, let's place a Fibonacci retracement level so we can find out what is gold is trying to do. Okay, this is the first high. We will place our Fibonacci on this level, and we will try to analyze the market. Okay, so according to this Fibonacci level, we have got let me make it a regular one because little mistake can. Okay, so this is the perfect chart we have right now. I am going to place one line on this surface and one line on this surface. So according to Fibonacci level, as you can see on your screen, we have got two ideas, 0.78%, the lower line, and the upper line 1% is 0.3062. Okay, so now I am going to remove the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so now we have got these two perfect 3065. Yeah, so now these are the two areas in which the gold will move. Okay, this is the Fibonacci retracement. Now the gold will retrace here 2953, and then it will go up. Okay, so this is the possibility number one. The possibility number two is the gold can directly go up, and after that it will retrace on the point 2950. Okay, so this is the one line analysis of gold. So this is weekly chart, and I am going to remove these lines so we can talk in detail. So the one line analysis I have already shared to you, 3065, the next target, the next retracement level 2953. Okay, so I am going to remove this level. Let's now move to daily chart so we can find out more incoming and more insights. Okay, now first of all, please listen to me carefully. This was the zone, the market according to daily chart. This is a daily candle rejecting this surface. Okay, so many people thought that if it has rejected this, we are going to take the reversal because Trump is in the office and gold will fall. Totally bullshit. There is no bearish pressure in the market right now. As you can see, the Bitcoin is falling. That's why the every investor is coming in the gold, because Bitcoin is crashing. As you can see, it has successfully retested 77k last week, and gold is rising. Why? Because investors are coming here, because the gold is more safer than the Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is totally manipulating. Okay, so this is the zone that market was rejecting, and you can call it as a rebound zone. Why I am calling it a rebound zone? Okay, so this is a smart we will talk this smaller frame later. First off, let's talk to this one. Okay, this is a rebound zone. For example, why I am calling it a rebound zone, let's talk. This is the date, almost Feb 25, and after that the gold started to move in this rebound structure. Okay, this was the moment of gold. What is this? This is a fake breakout, totally fake breakout to entrap the sellers. When market break out this structure, many people thought that the gold will fall. That's why this market came into existence, and many people thought that we have a selling pressure and the next target will be the 2765. Many people entered here blindly, but gold manipulated them and gave a bullish move. Okay, so this is a fake breakout. We have a same level support here, but we are not going to call it a support. This is a wick. What is a wick? If a candle like that, this is the candle, and if it has this is known as a wick. Okay, so this is the wick. Mostly gold candles form that. This is a wick. Okay, these are the wicks, the upper wicks, the lower wicks. Okay, so this is the wick. The market once retested here. Why retested here? Because it broke the zone here. If market broke the zone, then it always retested like that. If it broke the zone, the next candle going to retest this zone. Okay, then gold again entered in the rebound zone, and then it is started to manipulate it once again. When this candle formed, many sellers, many market users, or many other people thought that sorry, there was a call in front of the video. Okay, so many people thought that the gold is going to enter in the selling direction, but no, this was a totally manipulation, and after that the gold started to giving the moon in the upward direction. Okay, so I am going to remove all these structures so we can talk the next thing. Okay, this is the rebound zone. Okay, and now as you can see, let me make it proper like that. Okay, just miss the structure. Okay, this is a rebound zone, and here the market again broke the zone. Will or is this a fake breakout? What is your answer? No, this is not a fake breakout, because the market closed above the zone. If somehow the market make this wick like that and gave a closing like that, then we will think that this is a fake breakout, because many people have placed here their selling limits like that, and their stop loss is just above the zone. The 40 pips stop loss we have hit here. Let me show you once again. This 40 pips Thursday we have hit. This is the same. We gave a same selling structure from that surface, just putting our stop loss above the zone, and market broke out this. Okay, yes, this is not a fake breakout. Why? Market closed above the zone. Okay, now this is the zone. Why I have made the zone? This is the zone according to Fibonacci level. Please remember the video. In starting we have marked two lines according to the Fibonacci level: 3065 the upper limit, and 2965 55 the lower limit. Okay, so now the market has breakout, and this is not a fake breakout, because the closing is above the zone. Here you should can comment or ask that why this is not a fake breakout. I told this is a fake breakout. Why? Because market gave a sell move but it's closed in the zone. As you can see, this is the red zone and market is closed above the zone here and here too. So this is the perfect definition of fake breakout. Okay, so according to daily chart, I am going to draw this structure because this structure is successfully broken down by the market. So let's move to H4 so we can talk about more. Okay, this is the H4 structure, and if we going to draw a trend line like that, then we will go this structure, maybe a trend line structure, triangle structure. The gold is successfully retested this and then it is going up. So if we draw a one more triangle like that, but this is not an authentic triangle first of all, so I am going to remove this. The lower one is too authentic. And now remember the two lines that we have successfully drawn in our video, which target was 3065. Okay, so now as you can see, there are two rules in the market. If the market has successfully broken down our zone, let's say here the market broken down the zone, then there are two possibilities as I told you in the starting of the video. First, the market can abruptly hit our target, then it came back to retest. Okay, the second one is that first retracement then hitting the target. Now I have a question to you, which is the perfect method that market will follow? Definitely I know you know the answer, but as you know I am making the video, so I am going to answer by myself. If you have answer yourself in your mind and you have given a perfect answer, then you are a genius. Okay, so now first of the market will retrace here. Why? Because zone is first broken down. This retracement is required, and first of the market can retrace this level or the market can retrace this trend line, but this is almost near to impossible because this zone is broken down. Once market break this zone, this red zone, then it will again enter in its rebound zone. Then we will struck in the this zone, the upper and the lower zone. So according to me, this is not a perfect setup. I know there are many things to learn in the market. According to me, the gold is going to retest on this trend line. If it will retrace here like that, as you can see, a cluster of candles. If gold will make a cluster of candles here, then we are going to buy it by putting our stop loss just below the zone. There are this is the first possibility of buy, and let me remove these structures so we can talk the other possibilities. The next possibility is that the gold is going to retest here like that, then it will make a strong bullish engulfing candle. This is also a strong bullish engulfing pattern, and if the similar candle like that, for example, we have almost 5 candles here like that. Forgive me, my drawing is too bad. Okay, now we have this 4 candles and the market is again formed a new rebound zone, but the next candle formed like this and it also broken down the rebound zone like here the gold did. Then we are going to buy the structure on retracement. This is what I am saying. Structure breakout, retracement required. Market will form on the retracement structure, then it will again make 2 or 3 candles, then boom, the next target is 3065. Okay, so this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any answer, any question, you can again contact me on our Telegram, on our WhatsApp, and maybe in the description of the video or in the comment section of the video. This was all about gold. If you have any confusion, we are here to discuss. Thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.
Forex Planet.